So I woke up again, and I'm here to welcome you back to my second devlog of this Roblox stealth game that I decided to name Sneak and Rob. Now I'll be showing you the progress I've been working on for the past couple of days. Like many other games, there's a lobby where people can join, invite each other to separate parties, and all of that. And I'll be going through basically a chart of what I've had to do, like what I had to add, and quality of life things that literally every other multiplayer game has for its lobby system, and even Roblox itself. So yeah, I'll be showing you the amount of like tasks I had to do to make it up to par in functionality. Obviously not GUI because I'm a graphic design master. What can I say? So you can see I decided to opt for a GUI only lobby system rather than a just in place lobby system where you just like go into a teleporter block. So I'll be telling you what I've been like working on throughout like not even days actually. I've been working on this since like a few weeks ago before I even started this devlog just to test stuff out. And it's been like a real pain trying to figure it out. But eventually I got it to work and I'll be going through like the initial steps, or I'll try to recall the initial steps I did to get to this point where it's functioning. As you can see in the middle, there's a search menu for the lobbies in the server. There's the tutorial right here from last episode and the next upcoming episode, the art gallery, which you can see is currently a work in progress. So basically, if you click on this, it shows you a GUI, which you can decide what your party type will be. It will be either public, anyone can join, friends only, where only your friends can join, and password locked, which you can put the password here, and it sets the password to that in your lobby. So anyone who wants to join has to type in that password. And then obviously the exit menu to, exit out the GUI. So you can see I'm in the test server because I need two people to test this, and that's kind of how that works. So you can see, I'll show you some of the like fail safes I made. If you click password but you don't have a password, it sends you an invalid error message. Same with like if you like open up the GUI but like there's no heist selected, then it'll also return invalid. But as you can see, I clicked on art gallery, so it has a heist value to it, so it won't return invalid. As you can see, yeah, you need to put in a password. You click it, boom, there's the password. For the other guy, you open this, there's also a password thing you have to enter. If you put in the wrong password, I need to add an error to this, but as you can see, you can't join, and also the exit button is not even colored right compared to the other one. Okay, as you can see, this is pretty rough, but I will update this by the end of the video, maybe, if I remember. But yeah, once you put in the password, if we enter it, uh, we join it, but I just remembered I really didn't finish this part because you can see it returned an error saying I was in the party. So it's kind of buggy and I'll have to fix that. I probably should have fixed that before I made the video, but it's whatever, I guess. I'll fix that later. You can see, uh, as the owner, you have a kick button where you can kick players out of your lobby, and you can also leave, and then leave. And also once the owner leaves, it just like disbands the whole party. And also I added like fail safes to where if you like quit the game, it'll basically like take you out of like a lobby you're in. If you're the owner, it'll just disband the lobby. And if you're a member, it just will just get rid of you from the other person's lobby. So there isn't just a no player like just standing there even though like they're not in the game anymore. So yeah. Then friends, just go to friends only, and okay, since it's friends, we're not friends, we click it, friends only, it errors you out. I'll make it public now. I mean, you already kind of seen what happens, but I'll show you still. You're public, that means I can just join, and I can stay, I can leave, and it leaves from the other player, obviously. But yeah, basically you can do that, create my own lobby still, we can have two lobbies at once, but I can't really show that again because there's only two players. I need a third. But I'll show you another mechanic that I added to make it slightly better that I had like trouble like trying to work on. As you can see, all four players are in this lobby. As you can see, this is what it looks like when you have a full lobby. And what I had a problem before when I like kicked the people in the middle, it wouldn't shift over the players properly. It would for the names, but not for like the client-sided players are that are in the lobby. But I did fix that to where if I kick player 2, player 3 and 4 will properly shift over, and so it properly like actually shifts people over. And that's kind of all I've made. I'll put a recap of what I was talking about because I was kind of just like rambling, so I'll make a more concise recap of what I was talking about. And I'll show you something else before I end this video. As you can see, this is the lobby. It's just a concrete box with a light in a black skybox. And as you can see, this is my ulti because I want to show you something important. So, when you join the game, there's already going to be people who already created lobbies and are in lobbies. So I made it so that when a player joins, the game fetches the data from the first player in the server, so everything can be updated. So the newest player can see what the oldest player can see, and everyone else in the lobby can see. So I'll show you that. I'm on my alt account right now, and I'm creating a lobby right now. And once I join, it should appear, and I should be able to join like normally. So let's join the team test. As you can see, I just joined, and the lobby I made like a minute ago in the team test by myself has just appeared, and you can see that it works. I can join it, and then on my alt account, I can see myself join, so everything is up to par. Obviously, I can't really show you that because I have my alt account on a laptop and I'm not recording that. And even then, that would be a pain sending it. So just believe me, it does work. You can test out yourself. I'm gonna make my alt account leave from the test server, and to show you what I'm talking about, where it'll kick me out. It'll disband the party, and once he leaves the server, so it's not bugged out. I leave. Look, it brings me out. I can create my own lobby. Everything works perfectly fine. So yeah, wait. I'm gonna make him join back so I can test my thing that I was working on right now. Okay, as you can see, I'll show you right now actually, where he'll join and he'll be able to join because he'll have the lobby data from the server. The server will send him the lobby data that I have, so he can join. Even though he just joined right now, I'll join. You can see he joins, but if he leaves, all right, you listen. If he leaves, he'll also leave, and he'll open up the space for another person, so he's just not perpetually stuck in the lobby, even though he's not here. So yeah, that's nice that I got to show that, and I hope you guys see what I'm talking about. Anyways, let's move on to the next part. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that post notification bell. And there'll be a title card with episode 3 once I have that out. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. セロメトラジェットセロメトラジェット